Hello friends, welcome to IAS Kannada Vahini. As usual, that is IAS 2020 preliminary question. We are continuing with the discussion. So the today's question is on Finance Commission. Consider the following statements regarding the financial distribution in the Indian Union recommended by Finance Commission. The first statement, the Gadgil formula adopted by the National Development Council in 1968, originally used in population figures. Second statement, from the fifth plan onwards, the 1971 population continues to be applied to measure the state's share of the normal central assistance. So these are the two statements regarding the Finance Commission. So you are supposed to identify the correct statement given below. So first statement is correct, second statement is correct, both the statements are correct and both are incorrect. For the answer, I will come later. Coming to the terms and other things, I think as of all of you know, the Finance Commission, it is widely discussed in the, you can select competitive exam, you can select narrative. So Article 280 of the Indian Constitution deals with the Finance Commission, and also it is a constitutional body. It is almost mandatory on the part of the central government to distribute the tax revenue between the center and state, that is divisible pool of taxes, on the recommendation of the Finance Commission. So in each Finance Commission, the terms of reference may change slightly. That is apart from like taxes, or you can say like grants or funds, etc. Some other like salary and other things may be extra things. Otherwise, rest of the things are same. Then the second term, that is Gadgil-Mukherjee formula. So this is a somewhat like special aspect. The first statement is correct. Gadgil formula adopted by the National Development Council in 1968, originally used in population figures. That is correct. That is in 1960, fourth 5-year plan period. That is from 1971 onwards. But what I mean, like 1971 population basis continues to measure the state share of the normal central assistance. That is also correct. Second statement is also correct. That is from fifth plan onwards. Both the things are applied. Whereas the Gadgil-Mukherjee formula is not different from the Gadgil formula. Gadgil-Mukherjee formula is to, again, from 1975 onwards, the same thing is, you can say like applied for what? Deciding or computing the state share of the normal central assistance. So this is how like the Gadgil formula applies in the devolution of the things. Then coming to the other aspects, why this population is considered for the central assistance. This is one of the criteria, and also the weightage is given for the population. Some weightage will be given. That is like 40% or 45%, or in the 13th Finance Commission, weightage for the population is 25%. And also there are two special things there. One is fiscal discipline, means any state which is following the fiscal discipline will be given somewhat like more central assistance. So this is how like there are so many criteria: geography, population, fiscal discipline, even like recently even like forest degradation or preservation. These are the criteria taken for consideration while deciding the central assistance to the states. So this is how the Finance Commission plays an important role in deciding the, you can select the financial distribution between center and state.